Hello everyone, we are in Salem district near the Salem steel plant. A new house is being constructed here. Our pioneer septic tank of 1200 liters is being installed. Previously, a septic tank was built with brick and sand. Next to it, a pillar is being constructed. Due to constant water seepage, the engineer constructing this pillar is our site engineer visited this location 6 months ago to thoroughly inspect the pioneer septic tank. Although they initially wanted to place the tank inside the house, there wasn't adequate space available. As a result, the tank has now been installed in the front area of the house. In this area, our engineer has installed the septic tank, which you can clearly see has no joints anywhere. This tank is constructed from a single-piece mold, ensuring that there are no weak points or seams that could lead to issues. Therefore, you can be assured that there will be no leakage, rusting, or overflow from this tank. No matter how much pressure is applied, you will not face any problems with this tank at all. That's why our Pioneer Biotank comes with a guarantee that it will remain leak-proof for 50 years. When installing this tank, we introduce a bacterium called inoculum into it. The bacteria in this tank are tasked with completely consuming and digesting human waste, purifying the water in the process. The tank is divided into 5 distinct chambers, where the first 4 chambers allow the bacteria to thoroughly clean the waste. The final chamber is known as the settlement tank. The purified water is stored in the tank. When you flush 5 liters of water from your toilet, an equal amount of 5 liters of water from the settlement tank will be released through the outlet. This water can be utilized for your garden, directed into the drainage system, or funneled underground via a ring installation, given that the area is equipped with drainage facilities, just like how we direct water into the drainage system. With any biotank you purchase from the market, you must refill the bacteria every 3 months. However, when you choose our Pioneer Bioseptic tanks, you will not need to spend even a single rupee on maintenance. There is absolutely no need to hire a truck for cleaning because these tanks are entirely maintenance-free. They are available in various capacities ranging from 1200 liters to a massive 60,000 liters to suit all your needs. For example, to clean your toilet, you can use Harpic Domex. It is available in all brands in the market. Only Pioneer Bioseptic tanks are delivered across India for homes, schools, and factories. We supply our Pioneer Bioseptic tanks to various locations, including schools and apartment buildings. For more detailed information, you can check out our Pioneer Bioseptic Tank YouTube channel and view all our installation videos. Be sure to share these videos with your friends, neighbors, or anyone involved in construction. Additionally, you can call the number displayed above. Our team will bring it right to your doorstep. Thank you, everyone.